special little starfire.
It always seems more quiet in the dark. It always feels so stark. How silence grows under the moon. Constellations gone so soon. I used to think that I was bold. I used to think love would be fun. Now all my stories have been told, except for one. As the stars start to align, I hope you take it as a sign that you'll be okay. Everything will be okay. And if the 7 rings collapse, although the day could be my loss, you will be okay. When I'm gone, you'll be okay. And when creation goes to die, you can find me in the sky upon the lost day, and you will be okay.